All right, Bitcoin dominance has officially gotten out of the range that we got in that range from March 2023. As I had expected, and I let you guys know that I was expecting from 60 to 64, 65 maximum, around this range, around this drop-based drop where this resistance is. I was expecting that Bitcoin dominance was going to start going down and we were going to see a lot of altcoins are going to rally. So we had bought with my members from long time ago, even though Bitcoin was still showing short-term bearishness when it was around $50,000, $55,000. It was keep ranging up and down. We still bought all the altcoins on the lowest price, and we are seeing some gains. And we're gonna still have some strategy of getting out after several months, which I'm gonna let my members know when I'm gonna get out, okay? It is absolutely nice to see altcoins are just rallying. Most of the altcoins have given a lot of returns in the last 7 days, even the last day. You guys see that H bar has given 164% and is right now around $14 billion market cap. It is so crazy to see that how altcoins can rally so fast, and it is not surprising to me because a lot of these coins have utilities, have a lot of goals, a lot of these have smart contracts, and smart contracts usually take a lot of attentions. Okay, so you can see that XRP after a while it could start getting out of that drama with SEC and finally started giving some returns to its investors, and then congratulating all the XRP holders. I was not against XRP, I was just against how it was not really moving, and finally it started doing some moves and it is on the 3rd ranking in the whole market cap. Okay, so it is very nice to see that XRP people are getting some returns for their investment. That is beautiful to see. So as I just expected, and I was letting my members know, most of the attention is going to be most of the money is going to go to bigger altcoins, as you guys can see, because new FOMO people, the people who are going to start hearing from others that XRP is pumping, Solana is pumping, BNB is pumping, and they're gonna mostly look at the first coins, the bigger coins, and they're gonna start investing into these coins. And the people who have put their money in lowest price, they're gonna eventually start cashing out, and some of the people are gonna circulate their money between other coins. Okay, there are gonna be some pumps and dumps between the coins, so make sure that you guys stay away from scams and rug pulls. Honestly, there are many ways that you guys can look at the coins that they're not scammers or rug pulls. Okay, one of the coins that I had called long time ago, and I'm not really telling you to buy it, that we have seen almost 10x within the last week. Okay, when I was calling it a long time ago, it was ranging in the lowest price, and it has started getting out of its own long range from 2022 actually, sorry, and it started giving that 10x, and it is a little bit pullback, and it's gonna do a good return for their investor, and it's gonna probably do good in this bull market. I'm just gonna give you an example. When you go to their Explorer, BSC scan, you guys can go and look at how many holders it has. It keep rising, right? And you go to holders, and you can see that how many percentage of it is being owned by different addresses. You guys can see almost 33% of it is being owned by one person. It says hot wallets, and this is the owner. And you can see that on MakeC 9%, and different people with lower percentages. This is not what I would like to see from a coin. More than 20%, 25%, it is fine. But more than that, I would not like to see that it is being owned by, majority of it is being owned by one person. So because they can dump their coins and they can sell and get out that coin, if this person decides to get out of their position and dump all the 33% of their whole market cap, they can't dump that coin, 33% at least, right? So, but it is not a big deal because most of them are being held by their developers, because we do not see who are behind these. But it is good to see. I would like to see, for example, any Inu. I'm gonna still go to any Inu because I like how they have burned a lot of their coins. And if you go to any of the blockchains explorers, I'm gonna just pick Solana for example. If you go, you can see that it has 4,400 people holding on blockchain, on Solana blockchain, and the holders, you can see that it has 13% and 4% and 4%. This is a good thing to see. This is a very normal thing to see, okay? And if you just go look at the other blockchain that they are on a lot of blockchains, which gives a good opportunity for them to grow, because people are mostly fan of different blockchains and they only get into coins that are, for example, in BNB, Binance, or Solana, okay? You guys see that it is on a no. They have burned 94% of their coins in BNB blockchain, that is so good. So you guys can see that for any of the coins that you guys own, to get a little bit of confidence that it is not being owned by someone that they can dump it on you, their coins, anytime, okay? So these are just examples. I'm not telling you to buy any of these coins, but this is a good thing that you guys need to pay attention. So right now, let's just look at Total 3, which I have told you guys that I am expecting a little bit of resistance around this area. I connected these 3 wicks and continued, and I said that I'm expecting a little bit of ups and downs and probably rejection around $1.11 trillion for only altcoins chart, which is Total 3. Ethereum and BTC is out, okay, in this chart. And you guys can expect a little bit of pullback for altcoins once we reach to this area. We're gonna probably see that at the same time Bitcoin is gonna start pulling back, which I have given you that there is a chance that we can see BTC going back to 89,700-ish, where this support level is, because if we go to weekly chart, this is where the body was closed and this green candle started. So I'm gonna put this right here. This wick got that support above that body. Usually when we start pulling back for in any chart, the best support we can get is from the body. We can get a lot of support from the wick that we touch from top, right? But the best support would be, and there is a possibility still, if we do not touch it, we can go back down and touch it. I'm not telling you guys that this week we're gonna see that, but if we keep getting rejected below $100,000, which I'm expecting that a lot of exchanges are gonna start messing with people and keep liquidating leverage traders left and right, because a lot of people are in long and they're gonna keep dumping, and a lot of people who are shorting, they're gonna put it, pump the price back up. Exchanges make the most money in these ranges because people get into longs and shorts and they have expectations for their direction, but usually market makers do the opposite, okay? So this is just my personal opinion, and I would say that we're gonna see a range for a while, and that's gonna be a good opportunity for a lot of altcoins that are gonna start pumping, okay? I do not really think that we should be scared for any of the Bitcoin's moves that much, because, for example, I'm just gonna give you Uniswap, which I have called you guys in public Telegram group, and I even mentioned it in one of my videos. I called it when it was $9.30. Now it is up almost $5, okay? It has given almost more than 50% for you. So whoever had bought it, congratulations, you are on a 50% profit, okay? But I'm still expecting Uniswap to do better, at least up to $17 until it sees a little bit of resistance where this wave is, okay? But again, if you guys bought it, congratulations, you are. I just wanted to appreciate you guys for your support and likes, which you're gonna do it right now, and thank you. That's gonna help the channel a lot. And if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you are interested to join a membership, go ahead and join. It is not too late to get into the altcoins that we have bought, because a lot of the pumps have started, but it's still too late, okay? So this is just my opinion, that we're going to keep seeing a lot of altcoins pumping here and there. The money is going to get out of one and it's going to pump the other ones. That's why I am mostly a fan of smaller cap coins, because with the smallest amount you can see hundreds of percent in only 1 week, which I showed you guys how VNU or Vita Inu pumped almost 10x in matter of a week. Okay, so this is just an example for you guys, because it was like almost 10 million market cap. I don't know, or less. It was 7 or down to 6 million, and it pumped to almost 70 million, and it started pulling back a little bit. So these are the opportunities you guys need to really use to make good money, but make sure you are gonna take profits. I keep telling my members, take profits, because you do not want to regret, and you do not want to stay in this market forever without making a penny. Because once you get into market, you're going to start having addiction to this, because you're going to first see your portfolio is going to jump to 10x, 20x, 30x. But if you do not take any money out and profit, you're going to see going back to zero or very low, and you're going to be like, okay, next time I'm going to do better. And it's going to take 4 years of your life. These are just my personal opinion, okay? Because I have made my mistakes, and I'm not going to do that. And I'm going to take profit after 5 to 10x from my portfolio. And I would say that again, 89,700 it is not going to really scare me. It is very expected for me, and we can see ups and downs for a while until hopefully we can break above $100,000, and we're going to see new all-time highs. But I just want to remind you that to me, we are on the wave 5 of Elliott wave theory, which I had showed you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't want to make lines in here anymore. But we're going to probably see ups and downs, but I do not know that how long and how far we can drag this wave 5 until we start seeing bearishness for it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Like the video for sure, subscribe, join the free Telegram group, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.